As someone who's been making videos for years but isn't the biggest fan of Apple, it's a long story. I've always accepted compromises when it comes to portable hardware to get my heavy creative work done. All the while wistfully staring enviously at all the Apple heads getting their edits together on airplanes and cafes. Well, ASUS may have just sent us the answer with this. The ProArt P16 is a beast of a laptop whose name states its primary audience, pro creatives. And as I am a pro creative now, ASUS also have upped the productivity ante and sent us this ASUS ZenScreen MB229CF for me to talk to you about today. The laptop. It's very true that the ProArt P16 sits on the higher end of that pricing spectrum, but after trying it out for a few months now, I can personally say you or your employer get whatever you pay for. I got the H6106WI model with an AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370 processor, 64GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 478GB, making this one of the most powerful Windows laptops you can get right now. As with all ASUS hardware, the build quality feels great, and it being ProArt means it looks just like a laptop and not a fairground ride with all that RGB. It's also got this neat covering that makes it smudge resistant and not very reflective, which is great for being on the go, though it being black needs a regular wipe to avoid pesky dust, which, to be honest, you should be doing anyway. It's also got MIL STD 8010 certified durability, so it can reportedly withstand extreme temperatures, shock, vibration, sand, dust and humidity, and I can't wait to see other people test that out. This is my first laptop of this caliber, and I can truly say that it feels very thin and lightweight when you consider the sheer power underneath. While it looks like a MacBook, unlike a MacBook, it actually has a decent amount of ports. It's got a proprietary power port, which is necessary for the GPU, HDMI 2.1, a USB 4 Type-C, a USB 3.2 Gen 1, as well as a Type-A audio combo jack. Yes! On the right, you have USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A, and an SD7 card reader. Amazing! The touchpad is a fantastic size and works great, as does the unique ASUS Pro Dial, which has a surprising amount of helpful uses, like being able to adjust the zoom level on clips in Premiere or scrub a timeline on YouTube. It's super easy to switch functions with a simple tap on the center and a quick spin to navigate. Its built-in software is intuitive and highly customizable, making it effortless to tailor to your needs. The real star of the show though is this 4K OLED screen, which looks just stunning, and it has a wide range of color profiles allowing you to choose things making it as vivid or as color accurate as you need. Truly one of the best screens I've seen on a laptop, and though it can be quite reflecty, its reported peak brightness of 550 nits will offset that pretty fast. Plus it's a touchscreen, which is always neat. As someone who primarily edits video and is always plugged in, battery is never a concern for me. But I did use it at IBC this year, editing in videos, nowhere near a PowerPoint, and it served me really well. Speaking my eyes and the things I look at, I also brought the ASUS ZenScreen MB229CF monitor because it's about as compact as a monitor this size can get, with a built-in adjustable kickstand so you can set it to whatever height or angle that you need it to be. It also can be projected and powered via a single USB cable, which is awesome. It is priced around $299 and features a 100Hz full HD IPS screen, which despite the resolution looks really sharp, and it's perfect for content creators with its 100% accurate sRGB color display mode. When it comes to actually working with these things, I was truly taken aback at how quickly I got set up, as well as just how capable it all is. With just 2 cables, I had a premium workstation and was able to edit like I was at home on a turbocharged PC. I've never had a laptop before that can just do everything I need it to, like editing 4K video with no proxies or juddering or freezes. Those tiny moments of time you get back made me realise quite how much it all adds up to. Not to mention the cognitive load of switching tasks or checking your phone while things are rendering. Both the ASUS ProArt P16 and ZenScreen MB229CF exceeded my expectations, delivering everything I needed in a surprisingly compact, robust form factor that I can take and just get everything I need done anywhere. They're the ideal tools for creatives who can afford to invest in the luxury of time their performance brings.